legal fee disputes here in Massachusetts. Good afternoon. My name is Neil Burns. I'm an attorney. I've been practicing law here in Massachusetts for 40 years, and along with my partner, Rashan Jan, we represent victims of legal malpractice and personal injury. And we get calls a lot about fee disputes, legal fee disputes, and sometimes they're significant disputes, and sometimes they're not. But this is what we generally look at when we look at these cases. First of all, is there a communication? Was there communication back and forth? Did the client say that I don't understand these disputes, these bills, and the attorney respond back saying, yeah, but we did this, this, and this, and it's sort of reasonable. You need to communicate. If there was no communication all along, at the end of the case you get this huge bill, something you completely didn't expect, then again, first thing to do is communicate. Say, we don't understand. You said this would be handled by an associate at one rate, and it looks like it was handled by a partner at another rate. Sometimes it's easy to resolve with the client and the lawyer. If that doesn't work, and if you need to hire a lawyer, these are cases where, especially if they're litigation cases, the underlying case, these are lawyers who litigate. They know how to litigate, and they're not typically insured. There's no insurance that covers overbilling, so they're going to litigate against you. So you have to be prepared and look at the bill in the context of what the upcoming bill is from the new attorney, from the malpractice attorney or the contract dispute attorney. That we would take these cases, and we do many times, but they're tough cases as a practical matter because, again, they know how to litigate, they're good at it, they know how to bill for it, and they've done it, and now you're getting billed by someone else to fight those bills. So look at this from a practical perspective. Can you negotiate it? Talk to the prior attorney, talk to the attorney, and first and foremost, do it all along. If the attorney's doing work for you, after every month or two, say, what's the story? What's the bill? Now, they may say, we haven't done anything for the past couple of months, in which case, that's a good communication. But when you know they're working on your case, get updated bills so that when the ultimate bill comes in, you will be not surprised. If you have a question, if you think you've been overbilled and want to retain an attorney, we here at Burns & Jan, we do this all the time, but again, it's complicated in that it's not that practical always. So give us a call for a free initial consultation. We would love to help you. We're aggressive, we're assertive, we get great results, and it's a free consultation. So call 617-227-7423. Thank you.